Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here to announce the 2025 sticker kit bundle. This is a digital sticker kit bundle that you can download yourself and use either in a digital notebook, or you can print and cut it yourself to use it in your physical bullet journal. So we have 12 different themes that go into the 2025 sticker kit bundle, including Dreamy Streetlights, Tropical Flamingos, Sunny Feathers, Disco Birds, Buzzy Watermelon, Quackulence, Pool Candy, Galactic Whales, Animal Windows, Punky Lights, Ruins and Ribbons, and Crystal Gami. So each of these sticker kits come with 13 sheets, including headers, weeks, art, banners, washi, sub 1, sub 2, sub 3, and then you also get 2 background images, a horizontal weekly, a vertical weekly, and a full page spread. So those are all the items that you get. So this is released as a sticker kit bundle, the whole 12 months. It is also going to be available on a monthly basis for the digital subscription kit. You do get a little bit more in the digital subscription kit, but if you are just looking for the sticker kits themselves, not any sort of mini sheets or stencils or anything to that effect, then this is a great bundle for you, especially if you want to set a lot of things up ahead of time in the year. So with all that background information, I am a big believer in seeing what you are buying. So here are all the looks at the digital subscription kits that you will get in the 2025 bundle. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments down below and I will answer them as I'm available to. And thank you so much for always supporting me in my dream and making stickers and creating arts. It's something that I love to do. So I hope that you guys love these sticker kits as well.